Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about music streaming endpoints, or streamers, or digital transports, or whatever you may want to call them. This is a Raspberry Pi 3. It happens to have a hat on it, so it can do SPDIF output, both coaxial and optical, as well as USB. For my purposes, this works perfectly well, and I think it should be just fine. The issue is, people keep telling me that it should sound like crap because it's only worth $100. Not sure why. Anyway, I thought I should give some better streamers a try, and I wanted to start with a fairly basic one. What I have here today is the FiiO SR11. It doesn't cost much more than my Raspberry Pi, but it's actually been getting very good reviews lately, so I thought I'd give one a try. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. FiiO SR11. There's the cardboard shield. We have a level up your listening with the ultimate music player. And you'll see that this is Rune ready. In my particular case, I'm currently using Lyrian Music Server, formerly known as Logitech Media Server. But this should do the trick for me, and we'll see how we can configure it up to make everything work. There we go. Put this off to the side. What have we got in the back here? Looks very similar to the K11 R2R in terms of its form factor. I wonder if the top is going to light up in the same way. I have to turn that off if it does. And coming in here, it looks like we have a USB-C for power, and then two USB ports. I'm assuming that both of these can, this one here and this one can both act as outputs. A reset button, I guess, to go back to factory defaults. I think this is a Wi-Fi antenna. Or of course you can also use an RJ45 Ethernet connector. We have coaxial out and optical out. So this thing doesn't do anything like I2S, but it does have USB output, so hopefully we're not limited. I'm assuming it's probably going to go at least to 384 kilohertz, if not 768. There you go. Nice looking little unit. It has a knob on front. I'm not sure what the knob does. I wouldn't expect it to do too much. I believe there's a separate app you can run to access this thing. And of course, in my case, I don't want to touch it. I want to be using some kind of software like either Lyrian Music Server or Rune or something like that. And I will be doing a comparison of the two later. And then, curiously enough, buried underneath it all is a quick start guide. And what does this look like? It says quick start, but it's actually quite hefty. Look at all the pages on this thing here. Whole lot of stuff. I'm assuming multiple languages in there, which is probably why it's so thick. And then we have within this little box, actually just a little side area here, a couple of additional pieces. We've got the USB-C cable, A to C. We have some yummy chiclets for chewing on. So I somehow have gotten one for another version of the world. I'm in Canada here, so I can't use this one here, but fortunately it's just a standard power brick, so as long as it's going to produce enough current, we should be fine. And interestingly enough, we have a remote control. Well, at least this way I don't have to get up and touch it, but as I say, I'm hoping we can use this thing with some kind of an app on my phone rather than having to control it directly. It does look like it has a volume knob, so interestingly enough, this must be doing a digital volume control, a little bit of menu controls and such things. So once I get up and running, we will see how it all works out. Thank you for watching this. I will be comparing this with at least one or two others. The Weem Ultra is going to be coming up too, and we'll see whether or not I really can get better sound from a proper streamer rather than a Raspberry Pi. Of course, I know there will also be people out there that say if I don't spend at least $5,000 on something, it's not going to be good. I probably would differ with that assumption, but we will try it and see. Anyway, have yourself a great day. And if you're enjoying my videos, always appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Have a great day.